Hello everyone, welcome back to Best Product. In today's video, we're exploring the best handheld digital anemometer on the market. I'll be taking an in-depth look at the UNI-T UT363, highlighting its features, accuracy, and why it's perfect for professionals and enthusiasts. Let's get started. Product features: precise wind speed measurement. The UT363 provides highly accurate wind speed readings, making it ideal for HVAC work, environmental monitoring, or outdoor activities where precise airflow data is essential. Clear LCD display with backlight. Equipped with a bright LCD screen and backlight, the anemometer ensures easy reading in any lighting conditions, from dark rooms to outdoor environments. Selectable temperature units. Users can choose between Celsius and Fahrenheit, allowing convenient adjustments for personal preference or specific measurement requirements. Durable wear-proof fan shaft. The robust fan shaft is designed to resist wear and tear, ensuring consistent accuracy over long-term use and repeated measurements. Max and AVG modes. Capture maximum wind speeds and average airflow values effortlessly. These modes provide detailed insights into wind conditions for professional or hobbyist applications. Automatic power-off feature. To save battery, the UT363 turns off automatically after periods of inactivity. This ensures the device is always ready when you need it without wasting power. Wide application use. Suitable for professionals, engineers, environmentalists, and enthusiasts alike, the UT363 excels in indoor and outdoor wind speed assessments, making it versatile and reliable. Pros: accurate and reliable wind speed measurement, clear LCD with backlight for all conditions, selectable Celsius and Fahrenheit units, durable wear-proof fan shaft for long-term use, Max and AVG modes for detailed analysis, compact, lightweight, and portable, automatic power-off to save battery, ideal for indoor and outdoor applications. Cons: limited to wind speed and temperature measurements. Manual calibration may be needed occasionally. Final thoughts. The UNI-T UT363 Handheld Digital Anemometer is a precise, durable, and user-friendly tool for anyone who needs reliable wind speed measurements. Its robust design, clear display, and advanced modes make it perfect for professionals and hobbyists working indoors or outdoors. If you want a reliable and accurate tool for measuring wind speed, the UT363 is a great choice. Check the price link in the description and don't forget to like and subscribe to Best Product for more top gadgets and professional tools.